Yes. Now let's look at the right side of this moral lesson. That's an interesting word.
Mm-hmm.
3 women piling up together. Too negative. Woman is in nature. Yin and yang, right?
Mm-hmm.
When it's all women, it's all negative. It's all yin. It's called yin, yang. Yin is the woman's nature. Man is yang, right? That's yang. So, woman has the yin energy. And when you have 3 women piling up together, that is no good. Okay, that's no good. 鸡烟尖
Xian.
Yeah. 尖 means treacherous. Treacherous,
Correct.
bad. Basically means, you know, treacherous. Basically, it's kind of like evil. Okay. Evil. Yeah, treacherous. 奸 next 臣 chen means official. Bai means failure. Failure. Bai, yeah, failure. Bai. 国 国 nation. 知 it's off, yeah. 王
Wang.
death. Death. 根 we already have that. Means root cause. Okay. Let's read. 鸡焉尖
Xian.
是恩臣
Chen.
不哀败
Bai.
歌倭国
Guo.
知一知
Zi.
勿安王
Wang.
个恩根
Con.
奸臣
Jin Chen.
败国
Bai Guo.
之亡根
Zhi Wang Gen.
The treacherous officials, the deceptive. Treacherous in every regard has this kind of deception in it, okay? Deceptive. The deceptive officials, they will cause a nation to fail and die. A deceptive and evil treacherous official is the root cause of the death of a nation, the failure of a nation. Okay. 败国 destroy, fail a nation, and to lead to the death. Okay. 奸臣败国之亡根. Treacherous, deceptive officials is the root cause of the failure and the death of a nation. That's basically the moral is saying that. And that is basically truly displayed by the treacherous official Qin Hui in Song Dynasty. And when Yue Fei was at the frontier battlefield and lead his brave soldiers as a general to fight off the invaders, and Yue Fei was really trusted by the emperor, And Yue Fei will definitely be able to protect the nation and protect all the homes of the Song dynasty. Okay. That's Nan Song. So at the time, everything was going so well, and Qing Hui was jealous. Qing Hui told the emperor that Yue Fei is too powerful. He will one day overthrow the emperor and become the emperor himself. So he stirred up doubts and fear in the heart of the emperor. And the emperor called Yue Fei back from the frontier battlefield. Immediately, he was completing his mission and winning the battle. But the emperor called him back. And he knew that there is something big time problem. But he, as an official, he is 100% loyal to the emperor. He knew he would die. He still returned. A lot of people tell him, don't go home, don't go back, don't listen, just take over. Just take over, And he could, because all the people love him. All the people could support him to be the next great leader. But he displayed this word called loyalty. And even he knew he was going home to be killed, he decided to go home. He go home and the emperor killed him, beheaded. Okay, and then the whole nation fell, and eventually the Nansong collapsed and was totally destroyed. That was because of Qing Hui. So that's why later on the people, who lost all their homes and a lot of people killed, and they knew that this was all caused by that 奸臣 Qing Hui. So all the people, they eventually, certainly, eventually Yue Fei, all the horrible, defamation against him was all washed clean. And the people knew, and of course the emperor also knew that he was the most loyal general. And so in order to remember Yue Fei, they certainly built a great statue, and they also had temples built, to show respect to Yue Fei everywhere. And then the Qing Hui and his wife, who was also behind Qing Hui's, lies. They made up some lie to attack Yue Fei, and to defame Yue Fei, leading to the emperor got muddle-headed and killed his most loyal official. So this couple, Qing Hui and his wife, they always made this statue of the two person on their knees, to repent, to show that they were so ashamed of themselves forever. So in China, if you go to China to visit, you go to Hangzhou and you will see a temple for Yue Fei, because that's where Yue Fei got killed. Where Yue Fei got killed, they built a temple and built a statue for Yue Fei. And in the same place, they had the Qing Hui and his wife statue on the knees in front of Yue Fei to show their, shamefulness and repenting for the rest of their life.